Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electro Pixels. Hey everyone! Today we are unboxing a serious audio upgrade for your home entertainment, the Motorola AmphisoundX 160W Bluetooth Soundbar. This 2.1 channel system is designed to deliver a theater-like immersive experience right in your living room. Before we begin, just a quick note, we purchased this product from Flipkart with our own money for personal use, and this video is not sponsored. First, let's talk about power. This setup features 160W of peak power output, combining a sleek soundbar with an extra powerful 60W side-firing subwoofer. That subwoofer uses 6.5-inch bass drivers, specifically engineered to hit deep, low-end frequencies for a punchy bass response you can actually feel. Inside the soundbar itself, you'll find 4 satellite speakers with 15W front-firing premium drivers. These work with a built-in amplifier and digital signal processor to ensure clear, distortion-free sound across high, mid, and low frequencies. One of the best things about the AmphisoundX is its all-round connectivity. Whether you want to stream high-resolution audio at a party or watch a movie in 4K, it's got you covered with HDMI ARC, Optical, and Bluetooth support. It even comes with a dedicated remote to give you full control over your sound profile. If you're looking for high-quality, cinematic audio without a massive price tag, this might be the one. Let's get it plugged in and hear how it sounds. So that's it. Hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.